Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 70th anniversary 2023 Corvette Stingray C8. Beautiful car. Only 425 miles on this car. We sourced this one from a private collection, very large private collection here in Houston. It was kept in a climate-controlled building, babied on a trickle charger, which comes with the car. Absolutely perfect, like new. It's got the sky cool gray interior, looks almost white. Torch red exterior. This is a Z51 car. It's a 3LT with Z51 package. We have all the books, everything that came with the car new. You get absolutely beautiful, one owner, clean Carfax, clean title. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country, enclosed trailer. We can do deals long distance. It's very easy. If you have a bank you'd like to finance with, you can bring that information. We can work with that bank, no problem. Cash deals are also easy. This interior is absolutely perfect. Love these Stingrays. Hardtop convertible, of course. We've got pictures on the website with the top down. Love this car. Look in the gallery for a picture of the window sticker as well. If you want to look at every little detail, we have it there. So give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly to all inquiries, and really look forward to speaking to somebody about this one. Make a great addition to somebody's car collection, or just buy it and start driving it. They're very reliable cars. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel here. You can also find us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. We post a lot there too. So thanks a lot for checking this out. Hope to hear from you.